This is how I manifest my life, not by wishing, not by hoping, and definitely not by waiting. I do it by taking conscious control of my thoughts, emotions, and energy, because those are the building blocks of reality. Every thought you think emits a frequency, every emotion you feel becomes a signal. The HeartMath Institute shows that elevated states like joy, gratitude, love, and coherence send electromagnetic waves from your heart into the field, and that field responds in kind. Pair that with the observer effect in quantum physics, where attention shapes probability, and you begin to see you're not just a participant in life, you're the architect. I manifest my life by feeling the result first and then acting from that emotional state. I don't wait to feel abundant until the money arrives. I don't wait to feel powerful until success shows up. That's Newtonian mechanics, cause and effect. But the quantum model of reality shows us that it's about causing an effect. I feel it now because that's how the subconscious learns. That's how new neural pathways are built. Neuroplasticity. That's how frequencies change. And what the frequency changes, reality has to match. So no, manifestation isn't magic. It's not fairy dust. It's not wishful thinking. It's alignment. It's a daily choice to manage your state, guide your focus, and project energy on purpose. This is how I manifest my life from the inside out. I'll see you in the next video.